dear students. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying our videos. I'm back again with yet another interesting topic for you guys. We are going to talk about vitamins. Let's see what they are and how they work and why are they important. Every machine needs energy or electricity to carry out its functions. Fan, light, bulb, computer all need electricity to work. Similarly, our human body needs essential nutrients to develop, grow and carry out its regular functions. As these vitamins are not produced inside the body, we can take these nutrients from different fruits and vegetables gifted to us by Mother Nature. Now, there are total 13 types of vitamins: A, B, C, D, E, K and 8 types of vitamin B, namely B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. And these 13 kinds are classified into 2 categories depending on their characteristics. Number 1, water-soluble vitamins, and number 2, fat-soluble vitamins. Now let's see what are water-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are 9. They are not stored in the body. Any leftover water-soluble vitamins leave the body through the urine. Although the body keeps a small reserve of these vitamins, they have to be taken on a regular basis to prevent shortage in the body. Now, vitamin B12 is the only water-soluble vitamin that can be stored in the liver for many years. Now, we would see that what are fat-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are stored in the body's fatty tissues. The 4 fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K. These vitamins are absorbed more easily by the body in the presence of dietary fat. Now let's see that where we can find these vitamins and why do we need them. Well, as far as vitamin B and C are concerned, they are a part of the water-soluble family. They can be obtained from the watery portions of fruits and vegetables, other food items like meat and fish, and dairy products like milk and cheese. Some vitamin B majorly helps in the production of energy, whereas some utilize the produced energy. They also contribute to the creation of red blood cells in the body. The other vitamins like C performs a long list of tasks to accomplish, like guarding our internal system by knocking out infections, helps in healing the wound, forming teeth and bones by creating a special kind of tissue called collagen. Do you guys know that what collagen does? It gives structure to the skin and strengthens the bones. Well, now on the other hand, fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E and K can be found in vegetables like mushrooms, spinach, broccoli and fruits like lychees, strawberries, guava and papaya. Also in foods like egg, fish, chicken and so on. The fat-soluble vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining the vision of eyes, development and building of bones, and it also contributes to the creation of white blood cells. Vitamin D extracts calcium and phosphorus that help in the strengthening of bones. Let's see what vitamin E does. It protects the cell membrane, proteins and DNA from oxidation. Now, are we forgetting any vitamin? We talked about A, B, C, D and E. Now, we'll talk about vitamin K. Vitamin K is needed because without it, blood would not maintain its consistency. It helps in clotting the blood and regulate blood calcium levels. Some studies suggest that it is important for bone health as well. Although these vitamins play an important role in maintaining our different body functions, but they do not have direct access to the internal organs, so they take support of necessary components like blood and proteins that are already present inside the body. The water-soluble vitamins get mixed with the blood to travel across the body. But do you guys know how the fat-soluble vitamins travel? Because it's tough for them to get into the blood. They take help of proteins to get into the blood and play their role. Each of the vitamins that we have discussed has an important job in the body. A vitamin deficiency occurs when you do not get enough of a certain vitamin. Vitamin deficiency can cause health problems. Not eating enough fruits, vegetables, beans, lentils, whole grains and fortified dairy foods may increase your risk for health problems including heart disease, cancer and poor bone health as osteoporosis. I hope you all have enjoyed this video lesson and now you guys are able to know about the vitamins and their different types. Still, if you guys have found any sort of ambiguity, you can always rewatch our videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Until next time, take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.